teaspoon of mustard, urad dal first, but I'll just add it on the side itself. Mustard will splutter on its own, but urad dal leaves in it. Serve Seviyan Upma with coconut chutney. Pour about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in a pan. Once the oil becomes hot, just coat the oil all over the pan. Add about 1 cup of vermicelli or semia into it and roast it in a slow flame. Alright, now the vermicelli or the semia has roasted well and nice. I kept it in a slow flame for about 7 to 8 minutes. You can roast it till it turns nice golden brown in color. You can see it has turned into a nice golden brown. Let us keep this aside. Now in the same vessel, pour some water, about 4 to 5 cups. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt and bring it to a boil. Alright, the water has now come to a boil. We will add our vermicelli, roasted vermicelli into it. Now bring it to a boil and keep stirring it in between. Once the water comes to a boil, slow the flame and cook the vermicelli till it becomes soft. Okay, it has now been cooking in very slow flame for about 5 to 7 minutes. It has now become soft and cooked on the inside. For that, you can just take one and check if it is cooked well and nice. If you see it is nice and it's cooked, that is nice and curry, just have to press it a little and see if it is cooked on the inside. You can also taste it and check the salt content as well. Okay, so I tasted it and it is cooked well and nice on the inside. The salt is also perfect. We will go ahead and drain this and separate our vermicelli from the water. Just take it out. Drain as much as possible into a bowl. After draining off the water, let us now keep the semia aside. This is completely drained well and nice. You can see they have come out separately as single semia. This is because first we roasted it in a little oil and it has come out very nice. We will keep this aside. Heat a pan. Add about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil into it. You can use any cooking oil. I am using coconut oil because it gives a nice flavor to the dish. And coconut is widely used in Kerala cuisine, so I am just going to use the coconut oil. Once the oil becomes hot, add about half teaspoon of mustard. Actually, I should have added urad dal first, but I'll just add it on the side itself. Half teaspoon of urad or black gram dal separately. Let them separate. So this has to turn golden brown. The white has to turn golden brown, and the mustard has to splutter. So luckily, I just separated them. Mustard will splutter on its own, but urad dal, will need to be sauteed so that it does not become black or turns dark. You can see the mustard has started to splutter and the urad dal has become golden brown in color. I have actually slowed the flame. Alright, at this stage we will go ahead and add few curry leaves in it. Add about one dried red chili. Just tear it into half and put it in there just for the flavor. Now into it add about one chopped onion. And saute it in slow flame. Add about half teaspoon of salt. This is only for the vegetable. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Slow the flame. Add about half cup of diced or very small diced carrots. Carrots diced into small pieces. I'm just going to reduce the flame. These are long beans. Half cup of chopped long beans. Long chopped. Once it is roasted, we can add a pinch of salt just so that the water leaves the vegetable. Pour very little water. About 1/4 cup of water it is. Just add a little. Close it with the lid and cook it till the vegetables are cooked well and nice. Cook it in a very slow flame. Stir it occasionally. Alright, it's been about 5 to 7 minutes. I cooked it in a very slow flame. The vegetables are cooked well and nice. You can just check the vegetables by simply pressing it with another fork or a spoon, and if you think that the vegetable has become tender, that means that it has cooked well and nice. You can also taste one and see. Yes, now the vegetable is cooked. It's cooked delicious carrots, flavorful carrot. Just add these Seviyan. Into it. And mix it gently. So that all the vegetables will get mixed with the Seviyan. It's a wonderful meal as well. You can have it for breakfast and meal at the same time. It is very flavorful and delicious. Just keep it in the flame for about 2 minutes in a very slow flame. Garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. It is optional, but I like it anyway, so I'll just add it. Some chopped coriander leaves. Usually we garnished coconut, but I didn't have it right now. It's been now 2 minutes. Let us go ahead and switch off the flame and take it out in a serving dish. Let's now take it out in a serving bowl. Serve Seviyan Upma with coconut chutney. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Please do like this video, and if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching VeenasKitchen.com. See you in the next video. Bye.